What's going on, my Bitcoin friends and my Bitcoin holders? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin news, some really good bullish news about Bitcoin, and why I think it's probably only up from here. At least that is what I'm hoping. So looking at the Bitcoin chart last night, if you're not aware, we had a crazy night. You're probably sleeping through it, but this morning actually is when it really started happening. And Bitcoin dipped down, not to 38K, but to $30,000. Go to the past 7 days or the past 1 day, you see Bitcoin just jumped right down past this resistance level of, $38,000 and just plummeted down to $30,000. And it's been making a recovery this morning, and it's looking pretty good right now, coming back to 38 and 39,000, a healthier level, a pretty speedy recovery, I might add. But what we're looking at today is some more bullish news, and this tweet was from 2 days ago, I believe. It was from yesterday, before the big crash happened, but it's basically Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, tweeting out that they have purchased an additional 229 bitcoins for 10 million in cash at an average price of $43,000 per coin. And as of the 18th of May, which was yesterday, they hold 92,000 bitcoins acquired for $2.2 billion. That's pretty crazy. Average price of $24,000 per Bitcoin, which is just insane. And Michael Saylor has been all over Bitcoin. Super strong opinions, and definitely super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to go through some of his other tweets right here. 7 hours ago, after the huge crash, I'm not selling. Diversification is selling the winner to buy the losers. That was a retweet. Probably after the crash, he retweeted that. And then entities I control have now acquired 111,000 Bitcoin, and I've not sold a single Satoshi. Not a single Satoshi right there. Not selling. Michael Saylor is not the whale, if you want to trust him, which, so it's up to you. But as far as the tweets go, Michael Saylor, if he's telling the truth, they're not the whales that are causing this huge market crash. And right here, Bitcoin whales feast as BTC price, and the wider market melt down. This is true. The whales were feasting this morning after the huge dump, which was, supposedly probably caused by the whales themselves. But pretty much what happened was a lot of people were in at this level, around $38,000, and they were leveraged. So their sell-off point for their over-leveraged assets, meaning they need to sell or their exchanges are going to force them to sell, is around $38,000 and $37,000. No one really expected it to go any lower than that. But then we had this huge dump here, and the whales dumped and they pick back up, right? That's what happens. Dump and then buy back up, or all these people with all the FUD going on from China and Tesla about Bitcoin basically just grabbed up that dip right there. Whales bought, market comes back up. So billions, hundreds of billions of dollars, I believe $400 billion in volume in this little time frame right here, in and out, which is just crazy. And it's something to think about, that if whales can push a Bitcoin market like this, we got to be careful here, and definitely careful about your leverage, especially if you are one of those people who is using leverage. Now, Bitcoin price dips below 40K and costs Tesla nearly 100% of its Bitcoin profits, right? Another thing which I mentioned in the title is that Elon Musk, if I go over here, Elon Musk actually tweeted out this morning, very soon after the dip, and kind of causing a little bit more of a pump. Tesla has diamond hands, 357,000 likes. So that obviously is going to pump the price up of Bitcoin. Just how much influence Elon Musk has is crazy. But apparently Tesla's lost all their profits because they're back at the point where they bought in. So this is bad for Tesla. This is good for Tesla. I don't know, because they could have sold at this point and bought back in. Maybe their diamond hands have to do with them buying back in, and just now they're going to diamond hand it. I don't know for sure. It's really all just speculation at this point, but a lot of coincidences and a lot of things to look at. I do, however, really do think that Bitcoin still has a very good future. especially because after this sell-off here of 31K, we've climbed back up to that 38,000 level, which we were hoping we wouldn't go under. And there's a lot of room now to come back up to the 60,000 mark. Really, there is, because now that we've went down, we have more cause to go up. The people who wanted to buy in lower are buying in now, and they're going to ride up to what they hopefully are expecting, a $100,000 Bitcoin, or a new all-time high at the very least. So I do think this is bullish for Bitcoin. There is a chance that this could be the bear run for Bitcoin just to start, and we could end up going downhill from here, but I think it's more than likely that we are still in the bull run. We're still going to go up, and we're still aiming for that $100,000 Bitcoin in this market cycle. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys do have diamond hands just like Elon Musk here, definitely leave a rocket ship emoji down in the comment section to know you made it to this point of the video. With all that being said, I hope you guys have a great freaking day. Peace out.